Welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce a practical course that can help your business grow. This course is designed for those who want to create a professional online store without needing technical knowledge. Using WordPress and ChatGPT, you'll learn how to optimize the design, content, and product management. You'll also understand how to manage payments and publish your store on the internet. With around 20,000 students and a 4.5-star rating, this course has proven successful. Currently, thanks to a discount on Udemy, the price is around €12. By purchasing this course, you will have full access and can benefit from future updates. The total duration is 3 hours, and after completing the course, you'll receive a certificate. In this course, you will learn how to obtain a domain and hosting for your online store with WordPress and ChatGPT. How to install WordPress and an SSL certificate for your domain. How to create professional online stores from scratch using WordPress and ChatGPT. How to customize your store design professionally with ChatGPT. And much more. Now, I want to share this course with you for free and completely legally. Follow these simple steps. 1. Subscribe to my channel and add this video to your watch list. 2. Open your browser and search for freelancer5.com on Google. 3. Click on the correct link in the search results, ensuring the website is freelancer5.com. 4. After clicking the link, you will be directed to the homepage. 5. Search for the course in the search bar. 6. Scroll down to find the discount coupon and click on the Go to the course button. 7. Your course is now available for free, but note that the coupon is time limited. With just a few clicks, you have legally and freely accessed this course. If this video was helpful, like, subscribe, and share with your friends.